Hey Sweet Peaches, what is up? I hope that you're having an awesome day today. I am really excited for what is coming today. It is a super busy day filming wise for me and it is worth it. So I finally got my beauty room pretty much the way that I am really wanting it. So I'm going to take you around today, show you the beauty room. I still have some swatches on my hand from the last video I did, don't mind that. But I'm going to do a filming room tour today. I'm going to do a makeup collection today and a what's in my mini skin fridge that is over here. But they're all going to be separate videos so it's not like way too long for you guys. And I'm going to try to remember going through the room today to tell you guys where everything is from. And yeah, so I don't have a mic on. I hope that it doesn't sound too terrible in here and you don't have a lot of background noises, but I just thought it would be easier since I'm walking around with the camera. So we're gonna go ahead and get started in showing you my beauty room. So there is still some stuff that I'm wanting to have done. It's not all the way done yet, but it's just a work in progress. I want to paint this door and hang a little sign up, so we're gonna do that eventually. But if you come in, here's a little overlook. If you guys have been with me for a while, you'll know that this is like a really big transformation moment. So let's just start over here. This is obviously my workstation. It's a little crazy. I don't know, it feels a little cluttered to me. I have to keep like Kleenex and I keep these clear jars in the corner actually for dirty brushes and sponges so I'm not reusing things too many times. I have my huge monitor. It's actually Dustin's for filming, my light, my mirror, so kind of looks a little whatever, but I did want to tell you guys about the mirror. So I got this mirror from Goodwill for about $7. I just liked it, I don't know. And the lights on it actually are from Amazon, and I can't remember like the brand name on it, but I'll have them linked down below. They're $20, I think, or like 14, between 14 and 20. And they're really easy to put on. They just have like basically command strips on the back that you can put on. This mirror is like leveled a little weird, so they kind of have a hard time staying on there, but not really for the most part. I mean, it beats paying hundreds for the mirror that is just like this. So highly recommend that like DIY hack for you guys. And like I said, I'll have that linked down below. The table, sorry, that's Suki's toy. The table here is from IKEA. I can't remember which one it is, but it is from IKEA. We have the same kind of desks in the office. That's my office desk as well. And then the lights I've had for a long time, they're just from Amazon. If you search like, they're the Lumi Studio ones, but if you just search umbrella lights, a bunch will come up. And this chair I got from Bargain Hunt a long time ago. So over here is my makeup collection. I'm trying not to run through this too fast. I'm just excited and I need to like take a minute. But this I feel like is a really great way to store your makeup. I love that it's on wheels so I can kind of move it around if I were to be doing a client or anything like that. But that's my whole makeup collection that I'm going to show you guys, like I said, in a separate video. So this particular one is not too long. But they are actually from Sam's Club, and the reason I really recommend getting them from there instead of anywhere else, these are the same exact shelves, rolling carts from Target, and they have them in clear, black, and then rainbow. Target has them for $45. Sam's Club has them for $24. So I really feel like that was a good investment, a really great way to store everything, and it's not so like cluttery, and I don't know. I just feel like I can still get to everything really easily and not have to go through tons of things. So I really like those, and I feel like as my makeup collection keeps growing, I'm just going to get more carts because I personally like the way that this looks and I like the way that it stores everything. So I'm not going to go over what's on top of the carts or what's in them because that's going to be dedicated to the makeup collection. But here's my first little shelf. These are from Target. Again, a really good deal because I kind of had a vision for what I wanted this wall to look like, mainly because you kind of see this in the back of a lot of my videos. So I searched these shelves for a really long time before I bought everything, and quick mention, I didn't buy all of this in one day. Dustin got me a few things, I got myself a few things, and it has been a long time working up to buy everything and move everything around for this room and everything. So unless you have the kind of money to drop and buy all of this stuff in one day, which if you do, that's really Good job. I did not. I had to do it in steps, and I'm still really happy with it. So these shelves are from Target again. I got them while they were on sale. They're under $40, but I think they're like right at $40. But since I got them on sale, I got one of them super cheap, and I got the other one for $30, I think. So just check at Target. I'll try to have that specific shelf linked down below. They have the 9 shelf. They have a big one that's like $50 that's huge. They have like 4 shelves, 3 shelves, so they have a lot of different ones to be able to customize to what you need. So I really liked the 9 cube one, and I wanted this to be a PR shelf for me. So I have some things over here that are not specifically PR, as in my Hip Dot SpongeBob palette. That was not sent PR. I bought that, but I wanted it on display so badly because it's so cute. The Too Faced Pumpkin Spice collection Dustin got for me for my birthday. But then I do have like my beauty blender PR package. I bought the Halo Top ColourPop collection. I have my Edwin Barrow PR. You guys know I love my pigments and primer and lipstick from Edwin Barrow. And then this Benefit little box is actually from when I joined their Benefit Pro program, which I need to rejoin now because somehow I messed that up and I got booted out. Not by them, but by like my name change and address change and all that. So on top of here, I do eventually, I think, maybe want like some picture on top of both sides. Possibly. I don't know. You guys will have to tell me what you think. I just have a random empty Sephora bag. I just feel like that's like pretty aesthetic. And then I have this cute little bowl. This is actually a hobnail bowl from Target that was like a couple dollars, and I have all of my sponges in it. So I have these really colorful ones are from Beaky Blender, B-E-A-K-E-Y, Beaky Blender. And then I have my original beauty blenders, and then I have Real Techniques in there. So I thought that was a cute way to store it. And then I have my mini fridge. You guys, it was such a challenge to get this thing, more than it should have been, but I love it. And I have some stuff in there. Like I said, I'm gonna do a separate video on that too, where I kind of go over like how loud it is, setting it up, getting it in the mail and everything. But basically, the part I'm going to tell you here, this is not the one I ordered. There's one on Walmart's website from Frigidaire, I think. That's this big pink one. It's super cute, has a little window on it. This is the one I wanted originally anyways, though. I'll say that. I just couldn't find like the best deal on it. And the Frigidaire one was marked down to $30, which is ridiculously inexpensive for a mini fridge. So I bought it. They were like, great, on your way, it'll be there soon. The day before it was supposed to arrive, it had not even shipped, and then they emailed me saying it was delayed, and then they emailed me right after again saying, just kidding, your order is like basically out of stock, and we're gonna cancel your order if we can't ship it. And it just sounded fishy, so I canceled it. I looked again to see if I could find a good deal on this, and I got it from Amazon. It wasn't on sale or anything, but by the time I had paid for shipping, a protection plan, and everything else from the Walmart one, this one only cost $4 extra. So that made sense to me. Moving on. So this little middle section, I don't really know if I'm going to hang this or move it. It kind of just got put there a little while ago. My curtains, I don't know where they're from. I'm sorry. I have actually had those in the closet for a really long time. And this plant is from HomeGoods. I think it's so cute. I have to have fake plants because I kill everything in sight. And then this is our second little cubicle. So this I wanted more to be like my palettes and just to display some things. But I do have some PR on here as well, and my palettes obviously. So up top here, that Pixie box, this huge Pixie box, is one of their PR packages that they sent me that is really unbelievable. I was super shocked to get it. And then that back there is my vitamin C collection from them as well, which is super cute. I didn't know this when I made the video. Where's it at? There it is. But if you guys can see, it's personalized with my name on it, which is the only thing I've ever had that's like that personal. So I have those two. Over here, I can't wait to get another Pixie package, and I really hope they're going to send me their retinol collection because I have the retinol tonic, and I want to try some more because yeah, girl's getting old. This little clock here I just thought was super cute. It's not working. It's literally just for display, but it is from HomeGoods, and I just thought it was really sleek and like classy looking. And then I honestly don't know if I'm going to change a lot about how this shelf looks or not. I can't decide if I love it or hate it, but we're working on it. So it's just like I have to put everything on, move it around, take it away, do the whole thing, and then eventually I'll get it how I like it. This one was so much easier to set up, and I don't know why. I think it's because I had like the big boxes to put there, but this one, she'll get there. So the first little section here, I have my Lagos palette from Sheer Bite, and then in the back I have my Subculture palette that I felt like both of those were kind of culturally something. I don't know why I can't say that word anymore, but anyways, I just thought those kind of looked nice together. I just have this empty basket from Target, I believe. And then over here I have my Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette, and then this little sign that says, "You had me at pumpkin spice." I might change these out when it gets to be like fall weather, so I thought that was a really cute thing to go ahead and put there. Down here I have my ColourPop little shelf. I would absolutely die 5 times if I ever got to be on the ColourPop PR list, because they come out with so many great launches all the time. I mean, so fast that I cannot even keep up with it. But I have my Blue Moon palette, my Honey palette, and then the Halo Top little like individual shadows there in their little box. I have this little plant, super cute, I love it, also from HomeGoods. Most of my stuff is from HomeGoods. And then over here I have my Anja PR little package that I actually just opened today, so you guys are going to see a video on that if it's not up before this one. Very pretty products though. And then all of my palettes down here, I'm going to go through those a little bit more in my collection video. I really don't like the ways those are stored, so I had them in my rolling carts originally, and I don't know, I'm just struggling a lot with this shelf, so I think I might actually either put some of these in this basket or just move them and put this down here. I don't know yet, I'm still trying to figure it out. Over here, this corner's not looking super cute, but I got a laundry tote instead of like a garbage bin. But it's not the one I like super wanted for this corner, but that's trash and that's my background, so not completely perfect. But over here I have this little sign that I put up that says, "Hey Sweet Peaches," and my Kindle. If you guys are new or you haven't been following me for a long time and you don't know the story behind Shaving Kin, basically Dustin, my husband, is the sweetest person ever, and I told him one time when we were like walking around Toys R Us waiting for a movie to start that I never really felt like when I was little there were tons of Barbies that I super wanted and I never got. And I said the only one I remember always really wanting and never having was Shaving Fun Kin. And so he basically went to eBay and found this Barbie from like the 90s and bought it for me. So always super cute. I have all of these books here. I wanted this part. I love books, if you guys don't know that, and so I have books all over the house, but I wanted the books that I keep down here to kind of be like a rainbow. And so that's what I put there. This is my little light box, so I take product pictures in this from time to time. Dustin got this for me and it's really neat. It's from Foldio. I really recommend it if it's, you know, if you're someone who does product shots, because it comes with a bunch of different backgrounds. I have a black background, gray, and white. And it's just really neat, easy to set up. And then this painting up here is from HomeGoods as well. I just loved it. I thought it looked a lot like the Morphe brushes that I don't have any of, but they're really pretty, and I just thought that it was, I don't know, a nice neutral piece for down here. Over here, you guys have seen this, I think, in a couple of my indie video series. I keep stickers. I keep any like package instructions, not instructions, but like little pamphlets, you know, what are they called? Like this one from HipDot about the SpongeBob palette. Focus there. I have this one from ColourPop that's super cute, my Edwin Barrow, that picture of me and Dustin. And then I have my Homegrownbeauty one and the Sheer Bite note that they wrote me. So I just like to keep cutesy little stuff like that there. And then down here, this looks a little crazy because I actually just got my little Conair steamer 2 days ago, I think, or a day ago. So I'm still trying to figure out where to put it, but it is the best purchase. I found it at Bargain Hunt for $14. It's normally around $30, and it's just a facial steamer. Girl, it is luxurious. So I have my business cards from a long time ago, my makeup artist cards there, and then my laptop. Hi. I still don't like this mirror there very much, but she hasn't found her home yet. This lamp was $8 from Target. My rug is, I don't know like the brand on it, but I got it from Bargain Hunt a long time ago and it was super cheap. That little table there is from Target, I think, as well. It's like part of the Room Essentials line, and the lamp is too. So if you're looking for cheap furniture or lights or anything like that, really look at the Room Essentials line, because that is made for like college students basically. And I'm not in college anymore, but I like a deal. This little sofa I actually got from one of my friends that I know. He was basically just needed to get rid of it. Didn't charge me a thing for it, which was very, very nice, and I love it. I kind of like, I don't know, the desk, I didn't even say over here, but this desk was here when we moved in, and everybody was like, okay, we'll throw it away. And I was like, no, I love that. So I kind of like, I don't know what you would call it. It's definitely not rustic, but it's kind of, I don't know, like that's a boss sofa and it's kind of like a boss desk. So anyway, the pillow that I have here, kind of hard to read it, but it says Just Peachy. I got that from Five Below. My little cat pillow is from Forever 21 from a long time ago. This other pillow is also from Forever 21. And the blanket that I love says Lash Out, and it obviously has eyelashes all over it, is from Burlington, I believe. I don't think I got that at Home Goods, but one or the other. And then I have this little ladder here just for like some storage. I have my diffuser on top, some oils on the second shelf there, and a couple more books. And then I have our Google Home at the back right there, so I can listen to music when I'm getting ready. And then my sign Dustin got for me, Georgia Peaches. And yeah, so that is my whole beauty room. I'm gonna back up here, give you guys one more final look. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. It's definitely been a work in progress, and I'm having so much fun playing with it. I just can't believe this is my life and I get to have this little space for myself. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get filming my makeup collection video. You guys go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss that one, and I'll see you in that video. Bye.